Hey, I have a 2009 Toyota Camry that was running bad, just at an idle, and I saw some things about cleaning the throttle body. That didn't work, and so I checked out. There's a thing where you basically turn all of your AC, radio, everything off. Then the car is already warmed up. If your car is not warmed up, then you need to warm it up first. Drive it around or whatever. Make sure the engine is warmed up. Then you turn the key on, off, on, off. Hit the emergency brake. Start it up. Put it in drive. You got to put your foot on the brake to put it in drive. And let it sit for about 3 minutes or so. And the idle will learn itself. It'll retrain the computer to idle correctly. This usually happens, the idle stops working after you change the battery. And this, I've already done it with this car, so it's idling correctly now, as you can tell. I'll turn the AC on now. You don't have to turn the AC on. Don't do that when you're resetting it. I'm just showing you that it didn't kick down. The AC is working right the way it should be when it's hot out. And well, then you can put it back into park. And as you can tell, it's idling where it's supposed to be now. Later.